Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. These are some of the planner items that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree to use for journaling and using in my planner. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. Thanks guys for returning back to my channel. We are going to go over these planner items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Everything in this video was $1.25. So I know Dollar Trees have items that can be, you know, up to $5, I don't know, maybe $7. My Dollar Tree does not. It is still $1.25 for everything inside. So I just wanted to go over just really quick what I picked up. First, I have been looking for these. These are pencil holders. Oh, that was a little dirty. I told you guys in a previous video that my favorite colors are like this green, turquoise, mint green, and peach. So this was right up my alley. It does hold, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can show you exactly how it works. I don't know that I can show you because I'm recording from above, but basically you can have pens here. This one is a little bit deeper. So actually, hold on. Yeah, these three are a lot deeper to hold your pens or tools. Let's see. They would look really cute on your desk. So yeah, and I got 2 of them. I would think that with some double-sided tape, you might be able to tape them together to hold your supplies. So these I had to pick up. They are super duper cute. So yeah, let's put these back. All right, let's move on. Next, I picked up some pens. I love these pens. I currently have this one, I guess I should say, in my planner. It's right here. I have the green, but I was able to find them in this periwinkle color. Let me open it up. And like a peach cream. Let's open these. They're super cute. Now, I do have to say the pen that I have in my planner right now, the green one, something is going on with the ink. Hopefully this one is not the same. Let's see. Let's try writing something. They write very, very smooth. So yeah, this is so cute. And then we have the peach, which I love as well. So I don't know if you guys want me to open this one or not, but I'll open it just to show it to you. This is the peach. They've got like a rose gold metal accents. And then I saw this one online. I feel like everyone has this one. And I finally found it. This one is super cute. It's like rainbow, a little diamond on the end. So cute. Let me check this one out because I've never used this one before. Let's see. Oh, this one is blue ink. Okay. It's just so adorable. And then we found this one. It is metal twist up fashion pen. This one I love because of the rose gold. And I mean, who doesn't love a rose gold pineapple? Let's see, can I get it out? There we go. All right. That one, look at that. It's so cute. Oh, it's twist, okay. This one is smooth as well. So yeah, like I said, everything here was $1.25. Let's see, maybe I can bring in one of the stands. Is it upside down? Yes, it is. And we can put our pens in stand. stand. Can y'all see that? No, you can't. Let's slide it up some more. Can you see that now? Yeah. There we go. Inner stand. Super cute. All right. Next, we'll go to this one last, but I also picked up these highlighters from Zebra. They were super cute. I love how fat they are. So let's open them up and see if they're any good. Hold on. I know I'll probably drive y'all nuts opening, but I don't want to break my nails. Actually, let's open both of them real quick. I hope everyone is having a great day today. Thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate every last one of you. All right, so we have like a blue, a purple, a pink, and a peach. Let's see if we can highlight on here. I hope these are good. I really do. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I like that. That one dries a little here. I don't like. Hold on. Let's try this again. It's kind of spotty. I don't know about this one. The green for sure. Purple. I've had better. And the pink. Y'all are watching in real time. It seems like the only one I like is the green. I mean, I'll use them, but I won't grab for it. Let's see if it bleeds through the paper. No, just a little bit, I guess. So they're okay. Hit or miss. Take it or leave it. I could probably leave it. Yeah, definitely not a fave. So that's that. Next, I picked up some new scissors. These are like a teal blue color. I just needed something new for my craft room. So we got these by Westcott. I'm not going to open them up. I mean, they're a pair of scissors, right? So that's that. Another thing I picked up was this Jot storage container. I'm so sorry for the glare. I just thought it was super cute. I'm a mini girl, as I've said a million times. So I picked up these mini washi tapes off of Amazon, and I thought these would be really cute to put in this bin. So let's see. That way I can kind of get an idea of what colors I want to use without actually opening it. Of course, later I'll take the sticker off, but I just thought, let's see, gotta shake it up, make them lay down. I just thought that was super cute. So yeah, so I could probably fit a couple more in there, but I did pick it up. It is super cute and little, and it is exactly what I wanted. All right, next we have some Halloween tape. I'm not a big Halloween girl. Like, I like it, but I don't like scary Halloween, like gory and all that stuff. I want cute Halloween, little cute smiley faces and cute pumpkins and cute ghosts, not scary ghosts. So I like making my own bookmarks using like paper clips. So that's what I did here. On this one, I think I got this from maybe Walmart for like $1. So I plan on making some Halloween bookmarks when the time comes. So yeah, I saw this, $1.25, couldn't pass it up. I'll probably make these in another video, but just thought I would share that with you guys. And then last but not least, this is the reason I went, right? This is the entire reason that I went to the Dollar Tree. These Jot cover sheets. They look like they're made for a happy planner. I did check the size. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a little too small for a classic size and a little too big for a mini. I know the mini has 7 disc mushrooms or holes. So my thought behind it was, hey, I can use this and cut this and make this into a planner cover, I should say. It does have a front and a back, and it's like a plastic material. So let me show you. I did play around with it. In my next video, I will show you guys exactly how to make it. Here's my mini, and here's how it came out. It's like plastic. Like I said, it's not paper, and it's not laminated. It is clear. I'm sorry, white on the other side. But this is so adorable. And for $1.25, it's $1.25 cover. Like, let's be real. That is such a steal. So, yep, I'll show you guys exactly how to make that. But these are the 4. I feel like there may have been 5 I've seen online, like circulating online. I think there may be like 5, but this is what I got. I have this leopard or cheetah print. This is so pretty. It's like marble. Again, there's the back. This is just like the one I had. I had to try it, right? I can't be steering y'all wrong. So I did have to go back and get another one, but that is this one. What I end up doing is I use the back cover. As you can tell, it looks different. I did use the back cover because I like the teal and orange and stuff that's in it. And then last but not least, they have this one, which is super cute. So we're going to be making some covers out of this. Can't beat it. $1.25, 2-piece, front and back. So yeah, like I said, that was all I have for you guys today. Just a super, super quick Dollar Tree haul. This was with the back to school stuff. So if your Dollar Tree has it, you might want to run over there before all that stuff gets sold, all of it sells out, and see what you can pick up. Again, these highlighters, they're cute if you maybe just want like some decoration or something, but I mean, it dried a little better, but I could pass on this. Yeah, it's not horrible, but it's definitely not the best highlighter I've ever seen. So, yeah, and ignore my chicken scratch. But, yeah, just wanted to thank you guys for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.